been a hot minute with these London vlogs, but I have an exciting week filled with work, but also events in the evenings and a fun weekend. So I thought, let's start one. We are headed now to a coffee shop that I have been wanting to try in Hackney Wick called Simos, not sure how to pronounce it. It looks beautiful, and it's the only coffee shop in London that has got like all full 5-star reviews. So let's go and see if it gets that from us.
You're going to meet me in? I want to work if you're holding my phone.
Not the one time I'm filming for it not to work and make me look like I'm not a proper Londoner. So rude. Oh, I want to go here. Have you seen about this?
I think I have, yeah.
Yeah, it looks cool. It's like a working museum.
Yeah, I will say, I think in like 5 or 10 years, I think it'll be like the place to be.
I'm gonna try this miso sesame cookie from Simos Coffee. I actually filmed some clips on my phone, but not on here. I don't know how to do it on so many different devices. Like, content creators, how are we doing this? It is nice, but I would say you probably like miso and sesame more than I do as a flavour. Yeah, it's not my favourite. But let's give the coffee a taste test. I like that. That's nice. I got a little bit of agave syrup in it. But yeah, what I just mentioned, like how to order a coffee, be in there, and then try and get a seat outside. Like, how do you take? Okay, I need to take pictures and videos on my phone, and then I've got this camera for YouTube, and like, I just don't know how to do it all at once. I think maybe I need to prioritize one. So that's why I'm chatting to you now, outside. But I do recommend. It's quite small in there, but it's very pretty, and I like the pops of blue. Yeah, like on the way to Shoreditch. So opposite the coffee shop is the London Centre for book art. And I've actually been talking about this for a while, about how different like covers in different places like appeal to different audiences or convey what the book is about. Like, we do judge a book by its cover, so what would make us pick it up? I'm just like really interested in all of the art process for that at the moment. I don't know if that's specifically what they do, but like they had lots of like different ways of binding things, and just some gorgeous coffee table books, cards, and a lot of like workshops as well. There was people actually working in there. So if you do go, I would say pop into there as well, because it's very cutesy. It is a new day. She finished a shift last night, and I have finished a shift this morning, which I cycled into because of the strikes. So we'll cycle back. It was honestly like the Line Bike Hunger Games to try and find one this morning. But look at this. We've got tons. So I'm going to grab one of those and head home. And then we've actually got a very exciting evening. Drenched. We are on the way to Richmond now. I'll do a little outfit tour. I've got this bag from Christmas from M&S. This old little Zara shirt with like a little smexy bra underneath from Etam. These trousers are peachy den, and the shoes are also old Zara. Let's go! Cheers! Epic. That is pretty good for here. Right, now we're going home. See you tomorrow. We are back at one of our favourite little spots. Lots of nice natural light. Super pretty as well down there. And then, how's your cookie, love? Yeah?
So good.
What flavour?
Cinnamon. It's like a snickerdoodle almost.
Nice.
Lovely.
Salted maple syrup coffee. A bit of energy today. Usually it would be a matcha with lavender, which is also very good. Got too much of the syrup.
Yeah, it's at the bottom. You just stirred it.
That's better than I stirred it. Yeah, you want to try it?
Please. It's nice. Tastes quite wintry, like autumn.
Had our coffee at Lee's, which is on Pace, so you can get £1 coffee just for walking, which we do a lot of around London. So now we are walking around the area, Dubova, and maybe see if we can get any more success with getting any kitties to say hello. Usually Alex knows. Yeah, you know all of the ones around here, but they're being shy today for some reason.
Being coy.
Being coy. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to head off to work. Much friendlier now, aren't you? Oh, you had a good nap or something? Yeah. Big stretch. Do you want to tell the people why we call this one Percy?
Because he sits out here on the corner and watches. He's like the neighbourhood watch, so he's Percy policeman. And now he's slacking off a bit. Must be on his break.
He's on lunch break right now. Don't tell his boss. Oh look, the sun came out at that exact moment. And it's gone back in. Good morning, gang. We are getting towards the weekend. I am currently wearing a new little Skims top that I got from Thrift UK. I think they're called Thrift Plus. I saw an ad for them on Instagram, got in touch, and then they were like, do you know what? We will give you some credits, which is so exciting because I not only got this, which feels like butter, and I love the colour, I got a Coach bag. How friggin' cool is that? I cannot wait to be walking around with this. And they also gave me 3 bags to fill up with all of my old clothes. So you basically just fill these up. They're pretty big. So you fill these up and then they do everything else. You just chuck in clothes, shoes, accessories, whatever you don't want, and they sort out everything. When it sells, you then get tokens, which you can spend back on the website and get lovely things like this and the bag, which I think is quite cool. So the plan is for today, fill those up. We are going to go to the House of Lime pop-up as well in Shoreditch, see what's going on. I will of course show you everything. Pop-up, I love a good pop-up. They have got a little bit crazy in London at the moment, so I'm not queuing, so thankfully they hooked me up with a little queue skip, which is amazing. So we'll go to that, maybe meet Alex afterwards for a coffee, and then we have a gig this evening. So what an exciting Friday. So they've got like all the rooms in here, the little garden bit through there, and then manicures here, and a little photo booth. I love the designs, yeah, they're gorgeous.
This one is specific for 30th anniversary of this product, but regular ones are those colors. This side is 2 layers, this side is 5 layers, so slightly different. As you use it, it's getting really soft, like this.
That's so cool. Thank you for explaining. Thank you.
So this is the store that we were just in, which is actually in one of my favourite areas, in Shoreditch, but I had not come across this before. So if you're looking for beautiful, authentic Japanese designed bits, come here. I'm a bit hungry, so we spied this place. Maybe we can get some food here. we were gonna go to Bunhouse Disco to get some food, and then we walked along. What is this road called?
Calvert Avenue, I think.
Just right near Arnold Circus, and we came across Layla's shop, which actually do food, as well as like they have a shop literally just there where you can buy all the produce. So just stopped for some bread and some soup here. We just tried the courgette, white bean and basil soup, and what do you think?
A lot of flavour in that.
Like it? I really like it. I got worried that there was cheese in it though, but there isn't. It was just a little bit on the top. It's really nice. And this place is just so quaint. I love that it's got the kitchen and you can see it has cozy vibes, you know? It feels like someone's living room. It's cute.
Something that's apparently quite like
back from the House of Lime pop-up and grabbing lunch in Shoreditch around Arnold Circus, having a little mooch. It literally started hailing and tracking it down, so I took that as a sign to get in my jammies, take a little nap before this evening. So I'll see you later. This is where I wish that I had a microphone, because you can't hear me. But we're at the gig and a jazz cafe in Camden, and we're waiting for the show to start. Happy Saturday! We are on our way to an area that I've never explored before, Leytonstone. I'm not sure which it is. As part of the Open House Festival, we are getting a tour of a particular architect's home, and after that I am going to meet Morgan for coffee, and maybe there's a very cool ice cream place, so maybe we can treat ourselves to some ice cream too. I only went and read the wrong road name, so it's 82 Leybourne Road in Leytonstone. I read it as 82 Leytonstone Road. So now we are just at a coffee shop nearby, and we might try and go to the 12 o'clock slot. Cutie. We found a lovely store in Leytonstone. I love that green, it's probably my favourite colour. It's like a deep kind of olive green. Exactly. Nice.
I've always said if I had a house in London, it'd be that green.
Oh,
that green, the door, sorry.
Door.
Mostly I think just that.
Actually, these bowls are lush. An artist that just sort of gave prompts.
Are you doing that next
I'm tempted by the pink grapefruit and the carrot cake, or the black sesame. Oh yeah. Lemon. Nice. Okay, so Morgan went for the black sesame and soy, and I went for the carrot cake. Yum. Verdict? Good. And also some of the merch, because I really love the font and the designs. They look so fun, exciting. Bar on Exmouth Market called Around, which is called that, I think, because every time you get a drink you also get... Oh, it's gonna follow me! The bad thing about Face Track. Okay.
It was like purposely away from the camera.
Okay, let's just choose this and then I'll show you the food in a second. This was the food that we were talking about. So we've started off with some hummus and what kind of bread is it? I don't know what she said.
I didn't hear.
Didn't hear. And I went for the velour cocktail, which has got like lime, mezcal, something else in it. What was the one that you went for? Carruccio, and it has vodka, yuzu, lemon yuzu, ooh, and vanilla. Yeah, it's not too tart. We tried each other's. It was good. It was good. Our second drink is the Sea Breeze, which has got Sea View. Vodka, cranberry, blackberry, lime, and orange bitter.
It's like a Cosmo.
Yeah, like a Cosmo. But there's some drinks out there that we want to find out what they are. Oh yeah, raspberry.
I don't know how I feel about that.
No, cheese or like petit filou. What is it? Yeah. Exmouth Market on a Saturday is literally so vibey. Very busy, so if you don't like crowds, then don't come. But there's always so many people like drinking outside the bars. Good little like small places, and just generally like good vibes. But yeah, this is where we're going to head into now. Brazilian partner dancing here every Saturday. So, it's Sunday morning and I'm just at a local East London cafe, Cafe Hebe. It's part of Playhouse Theatre East, and I'm meeting the lovely Taz, who I actually met at a paddle event. And we just she's just delightful. So we thought we'd long overdue a coffee and we can chat about content and all other fun stuff. We are at the pub after the open house in Hungerford Road near Caledonian Road, Barnsbury. Alex has just got some food. My hair's gone crazy because of the rain, but let's show them what you got for food. What is it called?
Pad Ki Mao. Apparently it's called drunken noodles.
Drunken noodles. And are they spicy?
Yes.
Okay.
You can try some though.
Okay, I'll try some. I probably won't. I'll show you downstairs because it's very like historic looking. It's quite cool. Very fun. Fun little outing after our open house adventure. Goodbye Hemmingford Arms, and actually goodbye weekly vlog. I guess this is going to be titled like the week of the tube strikes. It's been a lot of cycling, a lot of shifts, but also a lot of fun exploring, and definitely highlight I would say has been the 2 open house tours for me. What has your highlight of the week been?
Watching it rain, absolutely throw it down. Also I was cozy and warm inside.
Aww.
Although that did make me quite worried about you, I must say.
Oh yeah, my denim was literally stuck to my legs. Awful, awful. And it has been very sunny, rainy. That's September for you. And I'll probably do another one of these next week. Let's try and get it out in a timely manner. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.